Hey guys, this is Alonzo from CoolCat Spy Gadgets, and today I'm going to be showing you guys the new outlet camera. This outlet camera has a lot of great features and is one of our most hidden cameras at this store. If you notice, the camera is going to be down in the bottom hole of this outlet right here. This makes it for it to be super concealed and not very noticeable. And as you can see right now, we have it connected to an existing outlet. So both of these outlets will be able to work and fully function. So you can connect any device with these. With this bottom one, because the camera is in the bottom, that means that you can only connect any type of devices that do not have a ground loop in the bottom. Besides that, this camera is a Wi-Fi camera, so you would be able to live stream it on your phone in real time anywhere around the world. You do have video and sound with this camera, as well as you can change the resolution up to 4K. So what we're going to do now is we're going to connect this. We're going to connect an outlet using our phone right here. We're going to be connecting our phone to show you guys that it works as a fully functionable outlet. Once we've connected this here, we show up on the phone and we show it that it is charging. So we are charging now. We are connected directly onto the outlet right here. And if we try to view it on our phone now, like I say, this model is a Wi-Fi model. The way you would set this camera up is you would replace an existing outlet of your home, or you would create a whole new hole for this outlet and then run power towards it. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go onto our phone. We're going to connect to this camera directly. And we are going to go to this signal right here. We're just going to connect to this. This is the signal that the camera is emitting. Now that we've done that, we are going to go onto our app. The app that this camera uses is Lookcam Pro. So we were just gonna hop onto Lookcam Pro. We're gonna load it up right on here. Oh. So Lookcam Pro. And now it's showing us that it's added a new device. If we would like to connect it to a Wi-Fi, we're just gonna skip that part for now. And now we're just gonna look for our device. Here we are, it's device online. And we're just gonna click to watch the video. And now we're in. So as you can see, we are now inside the video, so we can now see it and live stream it from our phone. As you can see, there's me right here recording the video. And here you can see the video quality. You get quite a wide angle with this. You would be able to capture a lot using this camera right here. And then you do have the ability for sound as well as photos and videos. And then you can turn off the light indicator that is on the left side of the camera. Although it is not visible, you do have the option of taking it off. And then you can also change the resolution from here. This is the review of the camera outlet. If you guys have any questions or would like to check out this camera out, you can always visit our website or give us a call at CoolCat Spy Gadgets. And this is it.